Hello to all of my dear friends. I hope you're doing great and feeling well after acclaiming so much our last glass product and style which you had. We decided to create one more new style with the same subject, which is this chrome style with a combination of glass, which has created this incredible style. And it's the result of our designers working for so many hours, which allows you to use this template in less than 1 minute and get to this incredible and beautiful style and convert your text or your logos into the style and easily edit and change the background. So just follow me to the end of this video and I'm going to show you how you can do so and how you can work with this product. So if you like this product, all you need to do is just refer to hyperpix.net, read the explanations, join, get the membership, and enjoy and use our products and stuff. So before we get started with the video, we'll be so glad and thankful if you like the video, subscribe our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. So to get started, all we need to do is just right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. So in the window which appears right here, as you see, we have two text which we can just remove one text, just go with one text, close and click save. You don't need to have both text, and you're going to see the result effect right here, how easy we deleted one of our texts. So I can come back to this window, bring the text back, easily edit it and change it. For instance, I'm just going to type my text. So the font which is used right here is a font which the capital letters are sans serif and the lowercase are serif. So you can just make some changes right here, customize, play around a little with the font and give an amazing effect to your text so it doesn't be so classic and boring. So we have our text right here, which easily I can also edit this text. So here we go, I'm going to bring it here. We just close, click save, it looks brilliant. And here we go, magnificent. We have our style right here, as you see how excellent is applied to the text. Just pay attention to the details. It's one of the most brilliant glass styles which is created up to now for Photoshop, I promise you. So you can also edit and change the font. I'm just going to go with one more font right now. Here we go, I'm going to just type something here. And as you see, we have the effect right here. It's absolutely pretty. So I'm going to get started with the rest of the layers. We have a text at the bottom right here, which easily is editable. But just before, just let me to explain the background. Our background right here is created from two sections, which is totally depending on your taste, on your desire. You can change the images or use both, or just go with one separate image. If I switch the second group on and the first one off, we have one background here which easily you can go with it, or you can just change the image and have any ideal image you want. You can change the color right here. For instance, I'm going to use another color just like this, as you see how pretty and beautiful it looks. So also this text has like two different colors, so it goes with the double background. But you can also change the color of the text at the bottom right here, or if not, you can just remove the whole thing. So you're totally free. The next group and part is the sparkles, which are so attractive. You can check out the effect right here. I'm just going to use one of the sparkles right here. So as you see, it can have an amazing effect. I'm just going to minimize it a little. So we have a brilliant light reflection. You can also use the rest, just select them one by one and place them in the right place. Here we go. One more we can use right here. And you can carry on and continue. Just a minute. One more here. So also you can just remove these two if you don't want them, or with the Alt button you can get copies of the sparkles and drag them all over your artwork. As you see, with the Alt button I'm getting copies and I'm dragging them in all the different parts of my text. So the next part is the effects, which I just ignore. This folder, it contains the main layers and effects of our style, the complications, as you see the effect. So just try to ignore it. So finally we have the background, which I explained it earlier on. You can just switch it off or just go with one image or any other changes you have in your mind. So we're done with this style. Just before we get finished and finish off the video, we're going to try it on a logo and see the result. So we come back as it was in default. Here we go. So right here, I'm going to bring to this window. I'm going to insert my logo right here. Here we go, we drag it, place it right in the center. I think everything's perfect. We just remove these two texts, don't need them anymore. All we need to do is just close the window, click save, and here we go. As you see how amazing our style is applied to our logo. It's magnificent. All we need to do is just customize a little, put the sparkles in their right place, continue dragging them and placing them to have an amazing, realistic style. So also you can edit and change the background. So one more time, I'm going to come back to this window. I want to just try another logo. Let's try a Coca-Cola logo just like this. I'm just going to minimize it a little. So I think it's perfect. We just close, click save, and here we go. As you see, our Coca-Cola logo, which looks absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to place one of the sparkles here, one more here. It can have a huge effect. Let's just remove the background, and instead I use a beautiful red Coca-Cola background, which makes it look so stunning. I'm just going to put some little sparkles here, so it gives that glass feeling so much more. One more here, and here we go. So we're finished. We're almost done. Here was the sparkles. So thanks so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed the style in this video. It has so many different uses. It makes you user free to make any uses you want from it. If you want to turn your text or logos into this brilliant glass style, this is what you're looking for. So if it exists at hyperpix.net, you can read about it. Thanks so much for your time and consideration. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, share it with your friends. Bye till one more video from Mary.